Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
To enable AI features, you must meet basic software and hardware requirements. Install Photoshop 2024 or later and update the Creative Cloud desktop app. Sign in with your Adobe account and keep an active internet connection. Your system should include at least 16 GB RAM and a dedicated GPU with 8 GB of RAM for best performance. Ensure you have recent drivers and operating system updates installed. Restart your computer after installing updates. Keep disk space available for temporary AI assets and cache files. First, open Photoshop and confirm you are signed into your Adobe account. Use help updates to ensure Photoshop and Creative Cloud are fully updated. Then open Edit Preferences and choose Technology Preview to access experimental AI settings. Toggle on Generative Fill and Neural Filters from that panel. Apply the changes and close preferences. Restart Photoshop to load the AI modules and GPU acceleration. When Photoshop restarts, verify that Generative Fill appears in the toolbar and Neural Filters are available under Filter. To use AI tools, make a precise selection around the area you want to edit. Choose Generative Fill from the toolbar or right-click and select Generative Fill for the selection. Enter a concise text prompt that describes the desired change in plain language. Limit canvas or the selected area to about 2048 px width for a good balance of quality and processing time. Tweak sampling and variation controls to generate alternative results when available. Export or save your file as a layered PSD to preserve editable AI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.